Little Luxury Seychelles Water Filter Jug Setup Guide. Inside the box, you'll find all the components needed to get started. Let's set up your Little Luxury Seychelles Water Filter Jug. First, place the reservoir securely inside the jug. Next, remove the filter cartridge from its packaging. Rinse it under cold running tap water for 60 seconds, gently shaking it to remove any loose carbon particles. Insert the filter firmly into the reservoir, ensuring it fits snugly and is fully seated. Now fill the reservoir with tap water and allow the water to filter through into the jug. For the best tasting water, discard the first filter jug and refill it before use. Your Little Luxury Seychelles Water Filter Jug is now ready to use. For refreshing, cold, filtered water, simply place the jug in the refrigerator. Our jug replacement filter cartridges are compatible with the Little Luxury Seychelles Water Filter Jug, the Little Luxury Hawaiian Water Filter Jug, and many other similar water filter jugs. Thank you for purchasing the Little Luxury Seychelles Water Filter Jug. Enjoy cleaner, great tasting filtered water with Little Luxury.